Hi, I'm Jean Panikiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 6 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for iOS user guide series. In this video, we're going to learn all about adding, deleting, and editing bookmarks in Sub Rosa. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. Bookmarks can be found in your Toolbar menu. The icon resembles an open book. When you tap on this, you will see a menu open with icons next to various titles. The icon that resembles an old manila folder means that this is a subfolder containing more bookmarks. The icon that looks like a bookmark tells you that this is a direct link to a page. During the setup of Sub Rosa, you are prompted to select the branch or branches of government and military with which you are associated. This section allows Sub Rosa to create bookmark folders and populates them with some of the most common URLs. These bookmarks are not permanent and can be deleted or edited. To do this, tap the Edit button in the top right corner of the menu. From here, you can tap the red circle to delete a bookmark or folder. If you tap the icon next to this circle, you will be able to rename the bookmark or folder and change the URL. Tapping the option under the heading Folder allows you to move the item to a new folder. If you want to rearrange the order of your folders and bookmarks, you can do so by tapping and holding on the burger icon on the far right and dragging the item to its new spot. Tapping Done in the top right corner will take you out of edit mode. If during setup you forget to add a group of bookmarks, you can import them at any time by tapping Import on the bottom right of the menu and then selecting the groups you want to add. After making a selection, tap Import to add them to your bookmark list. To create a new folder or subfolder, tap the icon of a folder with a plus sign in the bottom left of the menu. In part 5, we discussed how to add a bookmark from the Action button. You can also add a bookmark by going into the Bookmark menu. Simply browse to the site you want to add, open the Bookmark menu, and tap the image of the bookmark with a plus sign in the bottom center of the menu. From here, you can create the shortcut name and decide which folder to place it in. Tapping anywhere outside of the Bookmark menu will close it. We are aware of an issue that will sometimes cause bookmarks you've added to randomly disappear. We're working to solve this issue but are having trouble diagnosing what causes it. If you think you have a way to reproduce this issue, please contact our support team and let them know. We'd also like to hear from you if you think a bookmark is missing from our auto import lists. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. In the next video, we'll begin to talk about the Settings menu and the various options there. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.